Hey guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. All right, on today's episode, we're going to keep working on the 56 Buick. As you can see, it's going to get painted. So we've started blowing it apart, and I figured this would be a good chance to walk around and take a good solid look at it so you guys can see exactly how solid this car is. It is just amazing. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, so I wanted to start out by showing you guys down here. You can probably barely see the new master and booster. That came back and it's in the car. Got all the vacuum hooked up and everything now. So that's all in good shape and working now. The brakes are all bled. You kind of see it down in there. It's really hard to see. It's really hard to get your hand in there. But there you can see it. So the brakes are now working on this car. So I'm going to walk around it with you and just show you where we took all the trim off, what everything looks like, and how good a shape it's in. So here you can see the bumper and everything is off, the grill, all the trim around the front end of it. The headlight's out, but the bucket is still in this car. That's the terminal. You can see how good a shape that's in. It's really nice. That's where the hood emblem came out. I mean, a lot of times you pull this stuff off and it's all rotted out underneath here. This stuff is all really nice. That's where the turn signal was. You can see the paint's really kind of nice in there yet.
Look at the inside of the deck lid. It's beautiful.
All right. These are the portholes. Centuries and Roadmasters have 4 holes on each side, and every lesser model only has 3. The door handles are off. That's where it said Century. This car originally got its name back in the 30s when the first models of these would go 100 miles an hour. So that's where they got the name Century. Here's the underside of the trunk. Look at the jack instructions. These things are like new. There you can see the shiny paint yet and what the original color was. And that's in amazing shape, no rust at all. A lot of times they rust out back here. These are in great shape. And that paint is just amazing on the bottom side of that trunk lid. I mean, look at how good a condition the insulation is up in the trunk lid. Let me move up here a little bit so you can see it. I mean, it's like new. Look at that insulation under that back seat. I'm sure you hardly like ever find that intact. This car is just amazing.
Again, the seats had tags on them when they were made with the inspector's name.
Uh-huh.
I just thought that was really cool.
Yeah, so here's the back seat. Tags on them yet? I mean, this metal is like it was just made yesterday. It's like September 9th, 1971. Could be a 4, could be a 5, who knows. 20 weight oil. 52,000 miles. It just turned over 52,000. The car's got 59,000 on it now. So there's another oil change sticker on the driver door. This one shows 58,000 miles. 58,756. Looks like 9,482 maybe. They didn't put a dash in there, but I think that's what that probably is. I'll show you this little piece of trim right here. I mean, it's integrated in, and it just kind of runs down there. Kind of goes from being a double piece here, then to a single piece there, and it runs the length of the door up to the front. Looks like there's just a little tiny little bit of surface rust here. A lot of it is like, I think there's like some kind of a adhesive or something maybe on it too. A little of the paint flicking off, but I mean, that's really minor. All right, so here's all the chrome we took off. You know, like here's the back bumper. That weighs a fair amount. You know, the front bumper ends, the center grill section. Oh my gosh, that weighs like 25 pounds. We're going to be obviously putting this away, but you can see what's all here. You know, I mean, a lot of these are pretty nice yet. I think it's all going to get re-chromed though. That's a porthole. As you can see, they're blocked off on the end, so they're fake. But we're starting to build a pretty good pile of chrome, so we'll find a home for it, and where it'll all be nice and safe and sound. I drove the car outside to free up the lift, but anyway, there it is out here. So it won't be too much longer. It'll head up to the other shop where we'll start working on more aspects of getting it painted. So kind of curious how these Buick emblems come off. Hadn't looked at that. Whoop. Must be somehow up in there. They may be just pressed on too. They may have just pressed down into a little plastic piece. So I guess we'll get that figured out eventually. Take a look at the creek as long as we're back here. We recently got some snow and sleet and everything like that, so hey guys, let's take a look at some viewers' rides. Hey, if you want to see your ride on the channel, send me some good quality pictures of your classic to the email address below. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time. We'll keep working on the 56 Buick. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for the notifications, and click the like button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications. That's not right.